Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to see Wi-Fi password in Windows 10. In some case, you have forgot your Wi-Fi password, but your device, like your Windows 10, is already connected. You can see your password by right-clicking on your Wi-Fi settings and open Network and Internet settings. Choose Change Adapter options. Double-click in your Ethernet Wi-Fi. You can see the Wi-Fi is signed by bar rectangular like this. Double click in here, choose wireless properties, choose tab security, and tick these show characters. This is your Wi-Fi password. It will help you to remember your Wi-Fi password if you have forgotten but your device is already connected. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.